everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to send mail using WordPress. So I have set up WordPress in my system. After a long time the research, I got solutions how to send mail using Gmail. Okay, so I have already installed in WordPress in my machine. Hope so you can see. So what are the steps we are going to follow? Actually, I just going to here, and what we need to do, we are using WP Mail SMTP setup. So first of all, you need to install this plugin. Okay, so go your plugin section, add new. Once you click on the add new, you can search here WP Mail SMTP. Okay, so once you enter inside of the search engine here, you get the result, which is WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. So once you activated this plugin, what you need to do, I'm going to again WP SMTP setting. So hope so you can check out from there. And now what we need to do, we need to configure all email from there. So you can select here Google, and don't try to copy my client ID and secret ID. This is confidential. And what you need to do, once you click on here, you need to create your account inside of the Google documentations. You can read here. If you have G Suite account, you can configure here. So you need to create a secret ID and redirect and secret ID. We need to create here client ID and client secret ID. So where we can get, so just click on the create a web in your Google account. Just click on this link. Once we clicked on, so we are already logged in. So what we need to do here, you need to click here, create a project, and if you have any project, so you can select whatever you need. Okay, so once I clicked on this link, this is taking a little bit time. Yeah, you can check here, we have the alert with the enable API. I'm going to click on this button. This is taking a little bit time, so don't worry about it. Now we are inside of our credentials, so we need to put here important URL. So we have the Gmail API, of course we need user data, and click on the next button. Okay, so suppose I have project name which is demo. Okay, you can put whatever you want, and we have the email ID which is dev.creativestream@gmail.com. and if you need any email ID, so you can put here, like I want same email ID, so I'm going to put here the same email ID, which is this one. Save and continue. Okay, let's again click on this. Now web application, click on done. So hope so we have created successfully these credentials. Then click on auth constant screen. Yes, so here some information we need to also put here. Okay, let me click on this edit button. Okay, so hope so you aware about these configurations we have already set up. Just click on this, save and continue. Save and continue. If you want to use the data, so you can, for the test purpose, so you can add a user. Okay, I don't want right now, so just click on the save and go to dashboard, and don't forget to just click on the verifications not required. Okay, so this is fine. Now click on the credentials. This one, API we need, condition. Same. I think so. We have the okay, leave it. I think so. We have the different demo. You need to add here the URL, which is this one. Don't forget to remove this one. Again, we have the authorized URL, so don't forget to put this URL. Okay. Now just click on the save button. Once you clicked on the save button, you get the client ID and secret ID. This is an important role for your website. So this secret ID and web API you need to put here. So once you put here, you need to click on this connect connections. So once you click on, this will be automatically verify your account, and then you can use. And if you have any doubts related to this video, please let me know. Definitely I will try to resolve your query also. Thank you for watching this video.